Good morning, student. Hope you all are blessed. Students, in our chapter 6, birds and their body parts, we are going to discuss today about their feathers and their types and their beaks and types of beaks. Okay, so feathers are also of three types: flight feathers, fluffy feathers, and body feathers. So look at the features of the feathers first. The body of the bird is covered with feathers, and feathers help the birds when they fly. During while flying, feathers help the birds. Now, as I told you, there are down feathers, body feathers, and flight feathers. So first of all, there is down feathers. Down feathers, these feathers keep the body of the birds very warm. Okay, these are very soft and fluffy. These are very soft and fluffy. Now, body feathers, the entire body of bird is covered by these feathers. Okay, that's why it has been named body feathers. Okay, now number next is flight feathers. uh, Flight feathers are long, flat, and strong. These feathers are covered. Uh, these feathers cover the bird's wing and tail. Okay, long feathers cover the bird's wing and tail, and these feathers help the birds to fly. Okay, now let's move ahead. There are beaks and types of beaks. uh, as you can see, number one, beaks are strong, sharp, curved. Okay, some of the beaks are strong, sharp, and curved beaks. Let us read about strong, sharp, and curved beaks. Such beaks help the birds to tear flesh when they when they hunt any of the bird, and then they tear it, then only they will eat. So these beaks help them to tear the flesh. The birds which have uh, such beaks are called birds of prey. Okay, those birds which have this type of beaks, they are called birds of prey. They are flesh eater birds, and they eat small birds, snakes, and mice. And owl, vulture, kite, and eagle are example of such birds. Now next is short, hard, and horny beaks. Short, hard, and horny beaks. Birds like pigeons, peacocks, and sparrow have short, hard, and horny beaks, and their beaks help them to pick up and crush seeds. Okay, now number three is curved and hooked beaks. Parrots have curved and hooked beaks. You would have seen parrot. So they have curved and hooked beaks. They crack the seeds with them. Now number four is long and slender beaks. Long and slender beaks. Who Hoopies and sunbird have long and thin beaks, and slender means little soft as compared to other birds beak. They have little soft beaks, and their beaks pull out insects from the holes in the ground. Okay, then number five is strong and chisel shaped beaks. And such type of beaks, woodpeckers have such type of beaks, and it taps the bark of the tree to eat the worms. Okay, it makes a hole in the bark to pull out insects to eat and also to make its nest. Now number 6 is broad and short beaks. So there's a bird named swallows. Swallows have short and broad beaks. These beaks are sticky from inside. Why these are sticky? Because when they fly, these birds fly, they keep their beaks open to catch flying insects. Okay. Now number 7 is broad and flat beaks. Broad and flat beaks. Uh, Duck has a broad, flat, and spoon-like beak. Their beak looks like a spoon, and their beaks have tiny holes at the side. And these birds sucks the muddy water with their holes, and mud and water go out through the tiny holes, leaving food in mouth. Okay, so functions I have already told, and this was about. That's all for now. Thank you.